Hey guys, it's me, Cameron Lee Sorensen, and I'm back to do a Farming Simulator 19 video, and I'll be trying to get 3 different vehicles on either my house roof or my shed. So I'm going to reset my truck, and then we're going to start this video. Okay, let's get in my truck. Let's get going. Let's hook up to my bed. Okay guys, now we're gonna drive over to my house and that's gonna take about a minute. Jeez, I almost hit a pole. Ah! Oh no! Jump the train tracks! Woo! Aw. Okay, let me get this flipped over and we'll get started. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is gonna be the jump that I will be jumping. So I'm going to get all 3 vehicles over here where I'm going to start. This is where I'm going to start. Now here we go. Okay, let's get my Mustang. Okay, drive it over to my truck. Don't hit any bumps because this thing doesn't really do well with bumps. It gets stuck really easy. And it's a lot better if you drive first person like in real life, so I just like it. You don't have to, but I like it. Okay, there we go. So first we're gonna start off with my red NMC, and we gotta get enough speed to jump that fast and jump that jump onto my shed. Now, I need like 60 miles per hour. So leave a like if you think I can do it first try. Start her up. Here we go, guys. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh, I went too much. Ah, I'm gonna crash. Aw. Well, we didn't do it first try, but guess we're gonna have to go again. We'll go one more time and then we'll switch to the Mustang. So we're gonna do all of them each 2 times. Oh geez, it's always hard to flip my truck back over. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. Here, I'm gonna shut it off, get my Mustang and flip it over real quick. Then we'll get it back to where it was. Hey-ya! We're gonna need more speed. Here we go. Doink. Okay guys, we got it. Okay, let's jump this. Okay guys, don't go too fast and don't go too slow. Oh, I did it guys. I got my truck. Woo! I got my truck guys. Park it right here. Now time for the Mustang. Here we go guys. See if my Mustang can do it first try. Need to get it just perfect. Come on guys, here we go. Aw, poop. I guess we're gonna have to do a second try again. Okay guys, here we go. Don't slow down too much. Oh, woo! Got my Mustang. Time for the four-wheeler. Here we go, guys. Last vehicle. Aw. I feel like we're gonna have to do a second try on all of them. Okay, let's do this. Next, I'm gonna try and land it on my house. Ah, that means third try. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Here we go, guys. Second try. Come on, come on. Don't go too fast. Aw, dang it. The four-wheeler is doing really bad. On to the fourth. This time I gotta slow down. I think I need to speed up, so I need to go fast. Woo! Yeah, baby! All three vehicles. Four-wheeler, Mustang, truck. We did it. Now, I'm gonna go as fast as I can. I'm gonna jump this thing on the house. Oh, geez. Stick the landing. Now I'm gonna try and jump it on my house. See if it works. We're gonna jump it on my house. Woo! Ah, poop. Dang it. Try again. Now I'm gonna get a high speed and I'm gonna jump I'm gonna jump that same jump that we're trying to jump, going really fast. Aw, poop. Didn't work. Back up a little bit. Okay, guys, let's see if it works now. I just don't want to go too far. I want to get enough speed, but I don't want to go I don't want to break my house. Yeah, we're definitely going to land on my house. 100 miles per hour. Oh, 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 poop. We missed it. 100 miles per hour and we missed it. Whoa! I'll land on my backyard. Now we're gonna move on to the Mustang. Whoop. Stop right here. Okay, now we're gonna go to my Mustang. Whoop, uh-oh. Okay, now we're gonna try with my Mustang. My Mustang doesn't really get up to speed fast. Aw, I think I just got stuck on that one corner. Now we're gonna have to reset it. Let's see. Right here. What the? Oh, it didn't reset because I was in the vehicle. There. Try going full speed on the road. Try and jump it then. Here we go, 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 go.
You can't go straight across the track. Oh.
Here we go, 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 go. I'm not gonna make it. Whoa! See, I can make it on here, but I don't think my Mustang will be able to do it to the house. I'm gonna try with my four-wheeler real quick. My four-wheeler, I bet, could do it. It gets up to speed really fast. What? Uh-oh. Here we go. Go, 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 go. I'm not gonna do it. Doink. Woo! Aw. Whoa. I'm gonna try something else. Use my four-wheeler, go up that. That's a pretty big jump. Not as big as that one. I'm gonna try this, and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna go back to my truck. Okay, here we go. I'm definitely gonna go over my house or something. Here we go. What? What? Aw, poop. Jeez. I went too fast, guys. Way too fast. Link. Okay, my truck can definitely do it. My truck goes really fast. My truck is the perfect vehicle for it. See, it doesn't even mess up on the train tracks because it's lifted. The bottom doesn't. Aw, poop. Did I seriously just get it stuck going down a hill? Oh, poop, I had it. Oh, there we go. Come on, come on. Oh, there we go. Thank you, Hill. Oh, poop. Jeez, almost ran into the lake. Okay, here we go.
Just go on this side of that hole. Yeah, like that.
Here we
Oh,
go.
you didn't make it. You didn't make it.
Woo!
Oh,
Oh! Oh, poop.
I landed it.
I did land it, but I didn't land it on the house. Whoop. Okay, guys, I had fun doing this video with you. I hope you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!